we will be making this Sonobe, and this one actually you can see that this has a very clean point, and the paper that we'll be using is actually this long, is half of an A4 ratio paper. Fold it in half and turn over, and now fold diagonal. Just choose left, turn over and repeat the same. Now we want to flip this over, make a valley fold like this, and we want to fold along this edge here. Turn over, repeat the same. Make a valley fold and along this edge. You want to leave a gap in between here. Now turn over and fold this up along the edge here, and we want to make a fold that goes from this point to this point, like this. You can ignore this part, doesn't matter. Repeat the same at the back. To assemble, just we have to go the opposite. So if you put this like this, this will go to the opposite side. And same, this goes opposite. And this one comes here. You can assemble 12 or 30 and you will get this.